Can you kind of, without obviously sharing client information, I'm curious, like, how is this sale made? How do you pitch, like, what are you looking for in the plan that they have that's inferior? And what do you offer that is better? I'm curious, is it copay differences to doctors, or, you know, free ambulance rides? What's the main thing?
Yeah, good. It's a great question. So I think that you let the client tell you what they're looking for. So they filled out a direct mail piece. Were you just solely interested in saving money, potentially qualifying for a low income subsidy? So that's one part, right? Are you just concerned that you're paying too much money, whether it be monthly or when you see the doctor,
Right.
and you have a concern there? Okay, if that was the case, then you're interested in a plan that might offer lower copays or lower monthly premium. The second thing, the most common thing here would be their drug costs are phenomenally high. And so then you can do your due diligence and find a plan that covers their drugs more effectively. And then probably the most common one actually is additional benefits that they didn't know, that they may even already have some of those benefits built into the plan that they have, but nobody's taken the time to explain
Right.
to them. And so you find out which additional benefit is most important to them and make sure they're on a plan that maximizes that benefit. And then one other one is doctors. If a certain hospital doctor pulled out of one network, it may be available in a different plan where they can continue to see those specific providers. So there's 4 or 5 different routes you can go. I encourage you to, during your sales process, to get basically learn how to ask them what's most important to you. Why did you fill this card? What might I be able to help you with?
Yeah, it's just like ask them, why you send the card back? What are you concerned about? To let them tell you how to sell them, right? You know.
The beauty of it though is I've just began Medicare Advantage in October, and I don't know that a single person didn't say that one of those things was concerning to them.
Yeah.
It just doesn't happen.
Thank you so much for watching my video here on selling Medicare, and I want to invite you, if you are interested in taking advantage of getting into the Medicare Advantage field and you want to learn more about how I can help you do just that, here's what you can do. Go to David Duford and click the link at the top that says Join Dave's Agency. There you're going to learn about our entire Medicare Advantage sales and marketing system. Whether you want to continue selling final expense and then cross-sell Medicare Advantage to your clientele, or if you want to take up the mantle and sell Medicare Advantage exclusively, like some of our best agents who are writing 15 to 20 Medicare Advantage cases a week, either is definitely an option. You can learn more about how this program works by going to davidduford.com and clicking the link that says Join Dave's Agency for more information. Thanks for watching.